lecture, we studied about what are amphibians, what are aerial animals, and what are their special features and what are their characteristics. Today, I will study adaptations to food. And what do you mean by adaptation to food? As human being is different kinds of food, and similarly, animal eat different kinds of food just like human being. Some eat plants and some eat other animals. So some animals eat other animals and some animals eat plants. So on the basis of their food habits, they are divided into four categories. So just like human being, animal eat different kinds of food, and on the basis of their food habits, they are they are divided into four categories. What are their four categories? First one is herbivorous animal. Second is carnivorous animal. And third one is omnivorous animal. First one is herbivorous animal which eat only plants and grasses are known as herbivorous animal. The animal which eat only plants and grasses. The category of plants, the animal which eat only plant and grasses are known as herbivorous animal. जो animals सिर्फ plant और grass को eat करते हैं, that animals are called herbivorous animal. Some herbivorous animal first swallows their food without chewing and collect in a special bag and their gun called rumen. As we know, animal eat plant and grass, and these type of animals are called herbivorous animal. And some animals first swallow their food without chewing and collect in a special bag and their gut called rumen. So the animal which eat only plant and grass are known as herbivorous animal. And what are herbivorous animal? The which eat only plant and grass. And some example of herbivorous animals are shown in the figure. And what are these? Cow, deer, goats. These are examples of herbivorous animal. So what are herbivorous animal? Animal which eat only plant and grasses are known as herbivorous animal. And what are the examples of herbivorous animal? Cows, deer, goats. These are examples of herbivorous animal. And some herbivorous animal first swallow their food without chewing and collect in a special bag and their gut called rumen. When herbivorous animal just like cow eat their food, and firstly they swallowed their food and they collect all the food in the stomach and in a special bag in the stomach, and this special bag is called rumen. Later on, while resting, they bring back into the mouth to chew it. And what do you mean by rumen? This is the cow. This is the cow. When cow eats food and they swallowed into the stomach, and in the stomach the food is collected in a special bag. Food is collected in a special bag, and this special bag is called rumen. When cow eat some food, and eat uh, when food is eaten by the cow, and this is swallowed, and then it is stored in the stomach, and in the stomach and it is stored in the stomach, and in the stomach there is a So in the stomach, it is stored in a special bag, and this special bag is called rumen. So this special bag is present in the stomach, and this special bag is called rumen, and it is present in the cow. So this is rumen. Later on, while resting, they bring back into the mouth to chew it. And firstly, what we have known, what are herbivorous animal? Animal which eat only plants and grasses are known as herbivorous animal. And what are their examples? What are the examples of herbivorous animal? Cow, deer, and goats. Cow, deer, and goats are examples of herbivorous animal. So what are the examples of herbivorous animal? Cow, deer, and goat. Animal which eat only plant and grasses are known as herbivorous animal. And what are their examples? Cow, deer, and goat. And what do you mean by human? When herbivorous animals eat the food, they first swallow their food, and then food is stored in a special bag, and this special bag is present in the stomach, and it is called rumen. And later on, while resting, they bring back into the mouth. And these type of animal in which rumen is present, and this as type of animal is called ruminants. The animal in which rumen is present are called ruminants. So what are the adaptive features of herbivorous animal? They have especially three characteristics. First characteristics is that they usually have sharp, flat front teeth. All herbivorous animal have sharp, flat, and front teeth. So all the herbivorous animal have sharp, flat, and front teeth to cut grass and leaves of the plant. So what are the features of herbivorous animal? They have sharp and flat front teeth. They have they have flat front teeth. And what is the purpose of their sharp and flat front teeth? They are used to cut grass and leaves of the plants. They are used to cut grass and leaves of the plants. So what are the special features of herbivorous animal? They have sharp, flat front teeth to cut grass and leaves of plants. And what are the another characteristics of herbivorous animal? They have very strong and broad back teeth to grind their food. So what are the characteristics of herbivorous animal? First is they usually have sharp and flat front teeth. So they have very sharp and flat front teeth to cut grass. And second is they have strong and broad back teeth to grind their food. And what are the another characteristics of herbivorous animal? They have very strong legs. They have very strong and long legs. Because of their strong legs, they can move. They can walk a large distance. So, what are the adaptive feature of herbivorous animal? So, first is they usually have sharp, flat front teeth. Second is they have strong, broad back teeth to grind their food. So these are the adaptive features of herbivorous animal. First characteristics is that they usually have sharp and flat front teeth. So they have very sharp flat front teeth, and they are used to cut grass and leaves of plants. So this is the characteristics of herbivorous animal. They have very sharp front teeth. And what is the purpose of sharp front teeth? They are used to cut grass and leaves of the plants. And what are the another characteristics of herbivorous animal? They have very strong and broad back teeth. And what is the purpose of strong broad back teeth? They are used to grind their food. They are used to grind their food. And second is they have very long and strong legs. They have very strong and long legs. Because of their strong legs, they can travel a very large distance. So what are the characteristics of herbivorous animal? First characteristics is they have very sharp and front teeth, and second is they have very strong and broad back teeth, and next is they have long and strong legs. They have very long and strong legs. Because of them, they which enables them to travel long distance. So what are adaptive features of herbivorous animal? They have very flat and sharp teeth, front teeth, and they have very strong broad back teeth, and they have very strong and long legs. So these are the special features of herbivorous animal. Next is, what do you mean by carnivorous animal? Animal which eat only the flesh of other animals are known as flesh-eating animals or carnivorous animals. So what is the another name of carnivorous animal? Flesh-eating animals are also called carnivorous animal. So flesh-eating animal is similar to carnivorous animal. Animal which eat only the flesh of other animals are known as flesh-eating animals. So what are the special characteristics of carnivorous animal? Animal which eat only the flesh of other animals are known as flesh-eating animal. And what are the example of carnivorous animal? Lion, tiger, and wolf. Lion, tiger, and wolf are example of carnivorous animal. So the animal which eat only the flesh of other animal are known as flesh-eating animals. And these animals are also called carnivorous animal. जो एनिमल दूसरे एनिमल का फ्लश खाते हैं, मांस खाते हैं, तो उसको हम कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स बोलते हैं. What are the examples of carnivorous animal? Lion, tiger, and wolf. These are the example of carnivorous animals. So the what are carnivorous animal? Which eat only the flesh of other animals are known as flesh-eating animals. And flesh-eating animals are also known as carnivorous animal. And what are the example of carnivorous animal? Lion, tiger, and wolf. These are examples of carnivorous animal. And what are adaptive feature of carnivorous animal? First is they have very long, sharp, and pointed teeth. Their teeth, they have very sharp and pointed teeth. And next is they have very strong grinding teeth. So what are the special feature of carnivorous animal? First is they have very long and sharp pointed teeth. So their pointed teeth is very long and sharp, and their teeth is very long and sharp. And what is the purpose of their sharp teeth? Because of their sharp teeth, they are able to tear flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew their food. So what are the characteristics of carnivorous animal? What are the adaptive features of carnivorous animal? Firstly, they have very long and sharp teeth. And what is the purpose of long and sharp teeth? They are used to tear flesh of other animal. And flesh-eating birds like vultures and eagles have sharp claws to catch and hold their prey. As we know, flesh-eating birds, just like vulture and eagles, they have very strong claw. उनके पंजे जो हैं बहुत ज्यादा strong, sharp होते हैं, and they are used to catch and hold their prey. वो शिकार को पकड़ने में help करते हैं. They have hook beaks to tear the flesh. और उनकी जो beaks हैं, उनकी जो चोंच होती है, they have very they have very sharp beaks to tear the flesh. वो flesh को जो है फाड़ने में, tear करने में जो है help करती है. So what are the carnivorous animals? Animal which eat only the flesh of other animal are known as flesh eating animal or carnivorous animal. And what are the example of carnivorous animal? Lion, tiger and wolf. And what are the adaptive feature of carnivorous animal? First is they have very long and sharp pointed front teeth. Their teeth is very sharp and they have very long, sharp and pointed teeth, and they are used to these pointed teeth is used to tear flesh. And what are the another characteristics? They also have strong grinding teeth. And what is the purpose of their strong grinding teeth? They are used to chew their food. And what are the another characteristics of carnivorous animal? Push flesh eating birds, just like vulture and eagles, they have very sharp claws, and they, because of their sharp claws, they are able to catch and they are able to hold their prey. And what is the purpose of hooked beaks of the birds? Their beaks is used to tear the flesh. So these are the characteristics of carnivorous animal. So what are the carnivorous animal? Animal which eat only the flesh of another animals are known as flesh-eating animals or carnivorous animal. And what are the example of carnivorous animal? Lion, tiger, and wolf are example of carnivorous animal. And what are the adaptive features of carnivorous animal? First is they have very long and sharp pointed teeth. Their teeth is very long and sharp, and they have very strong grinding teeth. They have very strong grinding teeth. And what is the purpose of these sharp and pointed teeth? They are used to tear flesh. क्योंकि उनके जो teeth हैं वो बिल्कुल sharp होते हैं, इसकी वजह से वो flesh को easily eat कर लेते हैं. एंड जो वल्चर्स और ईगल्स हैं उनके जो पंजे हैं वो बहुत शार्प होते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ देयर शार्प क्लोज, वो शिकार को पकड़ने में और उसको कैच करने में और उसको रखने में हेल्प करते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ देयर शार्प क्लोज दे आर एबल टू कैच एंड होल्ड देयर प्रे. जो इनकी फ्लैश ईटिंग बर्ड्स हैं उनकी जो चोंच है, दे हैव वेरी हुक बीक्स, बिल्कुल शार्प होती है. और दे बिकॉज ऑफ देयर हुक बीक्स वो फ्लैश को अच्छे से टीयर कर लेते हैं. दे कैन इजिली टीयर द फ्लैश. So these are the adaptive feature of carnivorous animal. So what are the adaptive feature of carnivorous animal? They have very sharp front teeth, and they have also very sharp grinding teeth, and they have very sharp claws to catch and hold their prey, and they have very hooked beaks to tear the flesh. They have very hooked beaks to tear the flesh. These are the characteristics of carnivorous animal. And what are the omnivorous animal? Animals that eat both plants and flesh of another animals are called omnivorous animal. Animal that eat both plants and the flesh of other animal. जो plant जो है प्लांट्स और फ्लेश को खाते हैं दूसरे एनिमल के, और उसको बोलते हैं दैट आर कोल्ड omnivorous. That eat both plants as well as flesh, and these type of animals are known as omnivorous animal. And what are the example of omnivorous animal? Bears, human being, rats, pigs, crows. These are examples of omnivorous animal. As we know, crow eats both plant as well as flesh of another animal. So these are called omnivorous animal. As we know, human being eat both grass as well as flesh of another animal, so these are called omnivorous animal. क्योंकि ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है प्लांट भी खाते हैं और जो दूसरे एनिमल का फ्लश भी खाते हैं, दूसरे एनिमल का मांस भी खाते हैं. So human being are called omnivorous animal. So these are the four categories of animal based on the food habits. So what are their animals? First is herbivorous animal, second is carnivorous animal, third is omnivorous animal, and fourth is parasites. What are herbivorous animals? Which eat only plant and grasses are known as herbivorous animal. And what are the examples of herbivorous animal? Cow, deer, goats. These are the examples of herbivorous animal. And what are carnivorous animal? Animal which eat only flesh of another animal are called carnivorous animal. And what are the example of carnivorous animal? Lion, tiger, and wolf. These are example of carnivorous animal. And what are the adaptive feature of carnivorous animal? They have very sharp and long teeth. And next is their flesh-eating bird like vulture and eagles have very sharp claws and they are used to catch and hold their prey. And these are the characteristics of carnivorous animal. And what are the characteristics of herbivorous animal? They have very sharp front teeth and they have very strong and broad back teeth and their leg is very long and strong. And what are the characters? What are omnivorous animal? Animal which eat both plant as well as flesh of another animal are called omnivorous animal. And what are the examples of omnivorous animal? Human being, bears, pigs, rats, and crows. These are examples of omnivorous animal. Next fourth category is parasites. What do you mean by parasites? Some animals live inside or bodies of another living being animals to obtain food. So they are called parasites. So some animal live on the bodies of another animal. As we studied in previous chapters, what are parasites? The animal which live on the bodies of another animal, and why they sit on another animal to obtain food. They sit on another animal, they live on the another animal, and so these type of animals are called parasites. And how they get food? They have suckers or sucking tubes to suck blood from their host. And the animals on which parasite depend for their food are called host. And what are the examples of parasites? Leeches, body loss, and bed bugs. And these are all examples of parasites. So what do you mean by parasites? Some animals live inside or on the bodies of another animal to obtain the food. And these are called parasites. And what are their special characteristics? And what are the examples of parasite? Leeches, body loss, and bed bugs. These are examples of parasites. So what are parasites? Some animal live inside on the bodies of their living animals to obtain food, and these type of animals are called parasites. So they have sucking tubes to suck blood from their host, and the animal on which parasite depend on their food are called host. And what are the example of host? Leeches, body loss, and bed bugs. These are all examples of parasites. So what do we mean by parasite? Some animals live inside, or some animals live on the another body, and these type of animals are called parasites. And how they obtain food? They have sucking tubes. Because of their sucking tubes, they suck blood from the another animal, and from their blood they get food from the host. And these type of animals are called parasite. And what are the example of leeches? What are the example of parasite? Leeches, body loss, and bed bugs. These are examples of parasite. So what are the example of parasite? Leeches, body loss, and bed bugs are example of parasite. So what do we mean by parasite? When some animals live inside on the bodies of another living to obtain food. As we know, some animals live inside or the bodies of another living organism, and these animals are called parasites. कुछ animal दूसरे animal के ऊपर रहते हैं फूड ऑब्टेन करने के लिए, एंड दीज टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड पैरासाइट्स. एंड हाउ दे ऑब्टेन देयर फूड? उनके पास सकिंग ट्यूब्स होती हैं, और वहां से वो दूसरे एनिमल से ब्लड ले लेते हैं. इन दिस वे दे गेट फूड फ्रॉम अनदर एनिमल. एंड व्हाट आर होस्ट? जिस एनिमल के ऊपर पैरासाइट रहते हैं उस एनिमल को बोलते हैं होस्ट. Animal on which parasite depend for their food are called host. And these type of animals are called parasites. And what are the examples of parasite? Leeches and bed bugs. These are examples of parasite. What do we mean by parasite? Some animals live on the bodies of another animal for obtaining food, and these type of animals are called parasite. And what are the example of parasite? Leeches, bed bugs. These are all examples of parasite. And how they obtain their food? They obtain their food from the sucking tubes from the host. And what do we mean by host? The animal on which parasite depend for their food, and these are called host. And next topic is adaptation for protection. Some animals protect themselves from their enemies by changing the color of the skin to match the color of their surroundings. Predators such as lion, tigers have brown colored fur that helps them to hide by merging with the color of tall dry grass, and these helps them to catch their prey easily. And these type of coloring to mix or merge with the surrounding is known as camouflage. So what do you mean by predators and what do you mean by camouflage? As we know, some animals protect from the enemies by changing the color of the skin. And some animals change color. For any animal, they change their color with the surroundings to protect themselves from the enemies. And what do we mean by predators? An animal that kills and eat other animal. An animal that kill and eat other animals are called predators. And predators such as just like lion and tigers, they have brown colored fur. Lions and tigers have brown colored fur, and that helps them to hide by merging with the color of the tall dry grass, and these help them to catch their prey easily. As we know, some animals, just like zebra and chameleon, they change color according to their surroundings, and because of their colors, they protect themselves from the enemies. And these type of these type of animal protect enemies from by changing the colors of their skin to match with their surroundings. And what are predators? An animal that kills and eat another animal. So the lion and tigers, they have a brown colored fur, and which help them to hide hide by merging with the color of color of the tall dry grass. When these brown color fur uh, these brown color fur and these hides in the tall dry grass, and these helps them to catch their prey easily. They can catch prey easily with the help of their special features, and these type of coloring to mix or merge with the surrounding, and this type of mixing is called camouflage. And these are the examples of camouflage. And zebra have strips on their body which help them mix with their surroundings to evade predators. The white color of polar bear help to merge with the white snow, and chameleons change color body color to match leaves and branches of tree. As we know, the case of example of polar bear, the color of polar bear is white, and color of snow is also white, and it mix with the white snow when it lives in the cold place. There is a color of white color of snow as well as white color of polar bear. So both color is white. Both color are white. Because of their white color, they cannot seen easily. So they can save from the predators. And how chameleon change their color? They change body color, and they match leaves and the branches of the trees. So these they change color, body of color to match leaves and branches of the trees, and saves from the predators. And how zebra save? Zebra have strips on their bodies, and they which help them mix with their surroundings to evade predators. And they mix with the surroundings, and because of these, and they can save from the enemies. So next is animals like elephant and hippopotamus are huge, and their large size scares away most of their enemies. As we know, size of elephant is very big. So because of their size, most of the animal are away from the elephant and hippopotamus, because their size is very huge. And next is some animals have very strong legs that help them to flee in case of danger. For example, a deer can run fast enough to evade most of the predators. As we know, some animals have very strong legs. Because of their strong legs, when any enemy attacks, because of their strong legs, they can move. Suppose, for example, a deer. When a deer has very strong legs, when an enemy attacks deer, and the enemy run fast, and they save from the enemies. So, what are adaptation for protection? What are firstly we will know what are predators? An animal that kills and eat another animal. कोई भी एनिमल जो दूसरे एनिमल को किल करता है, and these are called predators. As we know, what are camouflage? When any animal change their color, and they change color according to their surroundings, and these type of coloring or mix or merge with the surrounding, and this is called camouflage. And as we know, this is the chameleon. They change color according to their surroundings. Chameleon जो है अपना color change कर लेती है surrounding के according, और these special features को that special feature is called camouflage. And just like zebra, they have strips on their bodies. This is zebra. They have strips on their bodies, and they also mix with the surroundings, and as we in the case of polar bear का कलर भी white होता है and snow का कलर भी white होता है. जब वो पोलर बियर स्नो में रहता है तो अगर कोई एनिमी बाहर से अटैक करता है तो उसको पोलर बियर स्नो की तरह लगता है. तो in this way polar bear safe from the enemies. And similarly, the example of chameleon, they change body color according to their leaves and according to their branches of trees. So in this way, they protect from the enemies. And how have elephant and hippopotamus protect from their enemies? Because their size is very big. इसका साइज इतना बड़ा होता है कि मोस्टली जो एनिमीज हैं उसके ऊपर अटैक ही नहीं करते, वो उनसे डरते हैं. एलिफ बिकॉज देयर साइज इज वेरी बिग. एंड नेक्स्ट इज what how deer save from the enemies when because a deer has very strong legs. Because a deer has very strong legs, because of their strong legs they can move easily, and they can, in this way they save, and it saves from the enemies. So these are the special features of the features of the predator of the animals, and which help them to save from the enemies. Again, I am repeating what are predators and what are camouflage. What are predators? An animal that kills and eat another animal are called predators. What are predators? An animal that kills and eat other animals are called predators. And what are the example of predators?